productivity, usability, and media versatility. The potential of latex printers has been extended further. Enter the Ricoh Pro L5130, L5160. Two types with a max media width of 1371mm and 1625mm respectively. White is added to the standard CMYK, producing vivid and vibrant colors. It's also capable of high-quality prints with a max resolution of 1200 dpi by 1200 dpi. High productivity. The printer is controlled by 3 staggered Ricoh's printhead, and it achieves a printing speed of 44 square meters per hour on outdoor high speed and 25 square meters per hour when set to indoor standard. Usability. The automatic wipe function eliminates the need for periodic maintenance. Media versatility. It's an accumulation of Ricoh's printhead and ink technologies. It's equipped with Ricoh's high-production printhead. Ricoh's eco-friendly latex ink has a low curing temperature and can print on a broad range of media. Outdoor poster and ad signs, backlit signs, billboards, vehicle wrapping, indoor posters, banners, soft signage and interior fabric signs, canvas and fine arts applications, window graphics. It all starts with this one latex printer.
Ricoh.